Hello everyone! Happy Thanksgiving Day! Maulan na panahon guys. As you can see, maulan na panahon. It's only 3 today guys, only 3. It's cold. I wear my jacket now, my scarf, my shampoo, and my gloves. Oh boy. Talaga nandito na po tayo. Ang ating inihantay. Yes po. Another day, another vlog. Maulan na panahon, as you can see. Ang ganda ng trees guys there, oh. Unti-unti na nag-chase ng leaves. Over there. Ganda na? Ganda. Maulan na panahon guys. Ang sarap matulog guys. Sarap matulog with a pajama. Yes. Masarap matulog. Hello flower. Soon matatanggal ka na dyan.